Hey guys, how's it going? Today in this video, we're going to be reviewing the E-YOOSO 60% Z-686 mechanical keyboard. So, let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do actually is jump over to this product page on Amazon. This is the same one I bought, the same one I have right here. And the only thing that's different about it is I changed out some of the colors of the keycaps. But besides that, and also I changed the switches. I went ahead and I got some Akko V3 Cream Blue Pro switches. And that is one thing that's really nice about this keyboard. It's a 65% and it's already RGB backlit, but most importantly, it's hot swappable. So what that means is you can buy some switches like this, and then as long as they're 5-pin switches, then you'll be able to hot swap them in this keyboard. So essentially, you'll be able to take these crappy blue switches out of here and put some custom ones in from Akko, or even some Gateron yellows or browns or something. Whatever kind of switches you want, you could easily put in here. So that's one plus with this keyboard is the cheap price, and it's hot swappable, so you can upgrade it and put in any switches you want. Alright, so let's get into the actual review now. So like I said, I've been using this keyboard for about a year now. And what I honestly can say is I don't know why you would need anything better. Okay, so what I mean by you won't need anything better is you can go shopping for a mechanical keyboard nowadays and expect to spend anywhere between $100 and $300 sometimes. So we can see here in the Duragod website, they have keyboards for $100 to $300. Gateron also sells keyboards pre-built for around the same price, even $100 for a numpad. And then Akko is a little bit of a cheaper option. That's the switches that I put in my keyboard, Akko Cream Blue V3s. But it's again still $100 for a pre-built keyboard. So if we actually jump over now to the keyboard that I bought, we can see I paid a cool $27 for it. Okay, so that brings our total to $27. Let's just do 28 and round it. Okay, but then we have these cream blue switches, okay, and 45 pieces. So that's one of these. And what we'll be doing is switching all those crappy blue switches in it that sound like this to these nice tactile switches, which sound and look way better. So that's $9 times 2. For 45, we'll need 2 packs of those. So plus $18, we're at 46. And then if you look at AliExpress, we can get a pair of keycaps for about $5, $6. So 126 keys and whatever color you like. And obviously this is just an example, but they have tons and tons of different colors and even custom keycaps too. But so $6. So we'll add 6. So we're at $52 now. So that means for $52, you could build a keyboard like this and replace all the switches on it and get brand new keycaps on it, and also get some experience in building mechanical keyboards. So I think this is a great keyboard for beginners who want to get into mechanical keyboards, but don't want to drop $100, $200, $300 on one, because honestly, at the end of the day, you don't need anything better than this. Like I said, I've been using this keyboard for about a year and a half now. And the weight on it's fine. I've seen some mods where people will make the keyboards heavier. I don't know why that's necessary if they're pushing their keyboard around their desk, but mine seems to stay where it is perfectly fine. And the replacement switches I put on it made a huge difference. And then obviously you can just decorate it to your cosmetics of your computer setup and put in whatever colored keycaps you want. So again, this is a hot swappable keyboard for $30, and I think it's a great option for any beginner looking to get into mechanical keyboards. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.